guys, what's up? Today is our first episode of toy unboxing, aka just the toys unboxing. I don't know. So we opened up this Rampage thing. We're gonna play with it, Pac-Man, and we just got a Pac-Man amiibo from this very closet. I found it. I don't know what it was doing in there. And we have some decorations. So we have our not Pac-Man, Bowser Jr. amiibo. Got this from Walmart. Bowser amiibo. I got this for my birthday. One of the spikes came off. You can see there. I don't know how it came off. This isn't an amiibo, but it's a McDonald's toy of Mario. Giant Pac-Man plushie from Dave & Buster's. We have a Charizard amiibo. I don't remember where I got this. And Luigi amiibo. Someone gave this to me at school. It was the first actual amiibo I got. So first things first, we're with Mangle from Ethan's World. Check out that channel. Yo guys, what doing? Yeah. Guys, I'm the voice of Mangle, if you don't know. She's just gonna be sitting back here. So let's play with Pac-Man first. So you can press the start button right there, the volume button, the start button, and mode. I just opened this up, so it's really fun. I've been playing with it for a few minutes. It's not that fun, but yeah, you get the idea. And let's go over to Rampage. I loved Rampage when I grew up, when they had Rampage Total Destruction came out. The terrible graphics are on here. The screen is small, so you can barely see what your dude is doing. Usually I pick Lizzie, because I love Lizzie from the movie. She was great. Okay, yeah, I'm Lizzie. It's hard to see what I'm doing, so here. Yeah. It kind of turns on whenever you turn it off. Now the amiibo. I can open it up later. It can go great with my Wii U. There's Bonnie on the floor. Because I have a Wii U. I can do it in Mario Maker. I can do it on stuff. I can use it on freaking Super Smash. Yeah. So, hope you liked the first video of toy unboxing. And, as always, I want, eat the pellets out.